Okay, dear children, very good evening to all of you. Right. So today we are going to start our paper discussion class focusing on your second term test. Right. So I hope that you have printed this
Miss, we
paper
can't
and
hear.
done.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me now? What about others? Others, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So then, okay. So if there's any problem related to sounds and the hearing, Putta, you had better check your connection, right? Okay. Right. Okay. So children, this is the question paper. This is the first question paper that I have uploaded to your groups, right? Focusing on your second term test, right? So here now children, what we are going to do, right? So when we are discussing, first of all, you have to do this question paper, and then here in the discussion, you have to find out what are your mistakes, and then carefully note down in the paper itself. Right? So sometimes there may be some unknown words for you. So then you had better to note down all these unknown words for all of yourselves. Right? And then children maintain another file folder. Right? මේ වගේ file folder එකක් use කරන්න to keep your papers, to keep your paper collection and maintain red pen. Okay? So right. So if you have not done this question paper, right, don't mark the answers using another color pen. You have to use red color pen. Right? Okay. So then we'll discuss this question paper. Right? Okay. So here now, this is the part 1. This is part 1, right? Here, underline the most appropriate. Other thing is that some lessons we may have not discussed yet. May second right? එතකොට මේකේ තියෙන second term. So some sections we have not ඒවා දැනට අතාරිනවා. ඒවා discuss කරන්නේ නෑ දැනට පොඩි course එකක් දාගෙන යනවා, right? But here when we finish that questions all together, we are going to discuss those questions, right? Okay. So likewise, that's what the flow. Right. Underline most appropriate answer. Some terms, some students, they don't have that idea. Appropriate means most suitable. Suitable. Suitable means වඩා සුදුසු. වඩා සුදුසු පිළිතුර යටින් ඉරක් අඳින්න. Most appropriate. Right? Okay. So children, we'll quickly discuss this part 1. The non-flowering plant is non-flowering. Shoe flower is flowering. Rose is flowering, right? Manioc also flowering. Cycas. Cycas means they don't have flowers. They only have seeds. They have open seeds, right? They have open seeds, right? මේ වගේ එළිය දාගෙන ඉන්න seeds එයාලට තියෙනවා, right? So then cycas, that means in Sinhala madu, right? No flowers, right? Okay. Which of the following seed is dispersed? Dispersed we have discussed. Dispersed means spreading, spreading. Dispersed.
Yes, miss.
Spreaded.
Lotus.
Yes, lotus. Yes. Vara means vara spreaded by wind. Gammalu, wind. Hora, wind. Yes, lotus by water. Answer is 4. Third question. Select the answer.
Fine water.
Yes, right? select the answer which represent means niyojanaya karana, which shows, right, the pH value below 7 and more than 7 respectively. Respectively means accordingly. Piliveling,
Lime water sugar solution.
right? Accordingly. Right? Okay. Right. Respectively means piliveling nuyoni. Right? pH
Vinegar
value
and lime water.
below 7 means
Acid.
yes, acid. We have to choose acid first. Lime water is not acid. Ash solution is basic.
Basic vinegar and lime.
Base. So then this one, right? Vinegar, that is acid. Lime water is calcium hydroxide, that is a base. So then it is having high pH, right? So then children,
Teacher?
answer is second
Teacher?
one. Yes.
Teacher, isn't it the third one answer?
Asking respectively. Piliveling ahanne. pH value below 7. Ash solution, ash dissolved water is what? Ash dissolved water is basic solution. Basic solution. So then pH is high. Ash dissolved water. Right? Ash dissolved කියන්නේ අලු දිය කරපු වතුර. අලු හුණු. Right? Here vinegar means acidic. So then acidic now pH is low, but it is not respectively. They are asking first of all pH value below 7 and then more than 7. pH value below 7 means it is acidic. So then first of all it should have acid. Thereafter it should have a base. So then answer is second one. Right? පිළිවෙලින් pH අගය 7ට අඩු 1යි 7ට වැඩි 1යි දක්වා ඇති පිළිතුර. So that's what they are asking. Okay, did you understand it? Right. The unit used to measure charges stored in capacitor is
Farads.
Farad, right? Not volt, not ampere. Farad, yes, right? Coulomb, right? So that is not coulomb. So then this is farad. Microfarad, picofarad, nanofarad, likewise there. Right? Okay. Answer is third one. Select the yes.
Red snake.
Right. We'll see. Select the invertebrate out of the following. Invertebrate. Invertebrate means animal who
Without backbone.
does not have a backbone. Right? Okay. Invertebrate. Grasshopper. Yes. Right? Lizard is a vertebrate. Rat snake is a vertebrate. They are asking invertebrate. Magpie, Polkicture, vertebrate. Rat snake means Garandia, vertebrate. They have a backbone. Right? Lizard, Catussa. Right? And they have a backbone. So here children, this is grasshopper. Grasshopper, they don't have they does not have a backbone. So then that one is invertebrate. Right? Okay. Sixth one. The structural and functional unit of life is, right? Make up it discuss karana, right? We have not discussed it yet, but since this is very easy lesson or easy question, so then answer is third one, right? Structural means you hire structure, right? And then functional means that is kind of a work process, right? So that is cell, right? ජීවයේ ව්‍යුහාත්මක සහ කෘත්‍යාත්මක ඒකකය වැඩ කරන ඒකකය සෙල් එක, right? Okay, we'll see. Right. මේක අපි දැනට තියෙනවා 7th question, keep it aside, right? Put a circle
If
around
the
it,
answer is air.
right? No, that's not the air, right? When we
What
are
is it?
discussing the answer, right? I'll explain to you, right? Okay.
It's in
So
what
answer should
specific?
be
Teacher, is it
steel. Yes, it should need a solid medium to travel fast for sound.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Right. Come on, that's okay. Eka karla nathi nisa mang eka skip kala. Right? Figure below shows a situation of just before a skyscraker. Aha spura. Skyscraker. Aha spura. Is light and situation of moving it up. Moving it up. Right? According to the above process, select the correct answer. We'll see. Statement. When the smoke emits downward due to the combustion of the gunpowder, skyscraper moves upward. Right? We'll see. The chemical energy of gunpowder is helpful for that. Right? So then what will happen here? So answer is both are correct. Right? Yes, definitely this gunpowder also there and this one is moving upward, right? Okay, so then combustion of gunpowder. Yes, here first of all we have to combust the gunpowder, right? So then thereafter this chemical energy converts into kinetic energy, right? Chemical energy transformed into kinetic energy when it is moving upward, right? So then here, due to this combustion, first of all, chemical energy help for this movement. Oh, මේකේ තිබිච්ච chemical ටික තිබ්බ යටින් ගිනි දැල්ලුව chemical energy එක release වුණා chemical energy convert වුණා kinetic energy වලට, right? Okay, so then children, statement correct, reason also correct, answer is fourth one. Right, under the forms of energy. Good question, that is bit of advanced question, right? Okay. Right. So then children, we have not discussed this, right? Sound
Teacher, is it
related,
tabla?
right? Okay, vibrating membranes, that is tabla. My membrane, right? We are beating on a membrane. The answer is tabla, yes. Well, answer is tabla, yes. Right? I skipped that question. Right? We have not discussed that lesson yet. Right. 10th question. Use of a battery to start a car. Use of a battery to start a car. Right? We'll see.
Answer is 4.
We'll see. Right. Use of a battery to start a car. Lightening the bulb of a foot cycle. Activating a calculator using a solar cell. These are the 3 statements. The correct order of type of current produced. You know, we have discussed 2 types of currents. Direct current and alternate current. Right? So then here, use of battery to start a car. That is direct current. Right? Direct current. Make an away. Right? Lighting the bulb of a foot cycle. You know, we have discussed about dynamos. So then dynamo, if there is a dynamo, it generates alternating current. Alternating current. So due to that, since this is direct current, we have to cut down that answer also. Right? And then activating a calculator using solar cell. Solar cell also generate a direct current. Answer is 4th one. Right? Answer is 4th one. Right. Right. So this is related to your static electricity lesson. Right. Figure below shows the way of using rod A with non-charge to identify the type of charge on 2 insulating rods P and
Positive
Q.
and negative.
Yes, we'll see. Yeah. Right. Observation 1. Two rods get repelled. Right? Rod A you can see, and you can see positive charges are there. Right? Two rods get repelled. You know, like charges repel each other. Positive to positive repel, negative to negative repel. Right? So then this rod should include positive charges. Right? Okay. So on this one, two rods get attracted. Two rods get attracted. So then what should be these rods then? Rod Q? What should
Negative.
include? So then rod P is the previous one. So then it should
Negative.
have positive. Yes. Here children, Q should have negative. මොකද rod P මනේ මෙතනට ගෙනිච්චි. So then previously if repelled each other, then what will happen? When we taking this rod near to this rod, then what will happen? Both of get attracted. Right, we'll see. P is positive. Positive, positive. We have to cut down negative. Right here, Q rod is negatively charged. So then answer is first one. Right? Answer is first one. After the 10th question, questions get bit of advance. ඕනම ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයක මෙහෙම තමයි. 10 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නයෙන් පස්සේ 20 දක්වා එන ටික ටිකක් අමාරුයි. 40ක් විතර තිබ්බත් if you had 40 questions, then you may have right accordingly advancing questions, right? Okay, in diagrams හම් වෙනවා likewise. So children, we just skip this question. 13th one. So microscope also we have not discussed, right? We are about to discuss about this microscope, right? The microscope එක ගැන කතා කරනවා, right? So oncoming lessons, okay? So then I'm just skipping it out, right?
Miss, what's the answer for the 12th one?
Right? 12th one,
Yes,
skipping. I'm not going to discuss it, right?
Okay.
Later, after finishing that lesson, all together these questions will be discussed. Okay? I'll just mark it on the paper and then all together
Miss,
discuss.
but
Right?
what is it? What's the answer?
So here answer is the common
Fire.
structure for digestive system and respiratory system is what?
Pyrenic.
Pharynx. Pharynx. Right?
That's the
Pharynx. Yes. Right?
Miss,
Okay.
what's the answer for the third one?
Sorry?
What's the answer for the third one?
13th one.
13, yeah.
Yeah, these are not now discussing. So then we no need to waste that time. We'll skipping it and then when we are discussing, I'll add it. Okay? Right? අපිට තව questions කරපු ටිකෙන් questions ටිකක් කරලා අර ටික අපි discuss කරමු at the end. Okay? Right. මම ඒකට වෙලාව ගන්නෙ නැහැ. Right? Okay. So then to get penumbra or penumbra, right? To get a penumbra, we discussed it,
3.
right? Yes, you know, when we reduce the distance between the source and the object, we can get a penumbra. The object and the light source should be source. Here, can you remember this is the light source and this was the object, and then when we reduce the distance between, right, this object and the light source, we can get penumbra here like this. අපි ඒක කළා මේ ඊයේ පෙරේද, right? Okay, so then we'll see. Seems that it is correct. Second one, the distance between object and the screen should be high. It is also incorrect.
Screen එක stuck වෙනවා.
Sorry?
Screen එකට මේ stuck වෙනවා teacher.
Stuck වෙනවා teacher.
Okay, we'll see. I'll check.
Screen එක blurred වෙලා තියෙන්නේ.
Okay, dear, right.
Screen is blurred, teacher.
it's okay, dear children. Now is it okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, right. So now the distance between the object and the screen should be equal. It's also incorrect. The distance between the object and the light should be high. That should be incorrect, right? So then children, when we increase the distance between this object and the light source, we can get a clear umbra, right? Okay, on the screen. So due to that, when we reduce the distance, we can get penumbra or penumbra, right? Okay. Select the incorrect statement about water. Incorrect. Don't be hurry enough to catch the answers, right? Correct wage dakkot iwarai, right? Okay, so then incorrect. Due to the solvent property of water, sugar can be produced by sugar cane. Yes, I told you that if something dissolves in water and then by removing water also, we can get the previous substance, right? What I told you, if some substance dissolving in water, it can give a solution. When you remove water, we can get back the previous substance. Here in the sugar production, sugarcane extract, we just remove water and then we can produce sugar, right? Okay, so then solvent property of water, sugar can be produced by sugarcane. Yes, yamak wature diya wenawa නම් වතුර අයින් කළාට පස්සේ අපිට කලින් තිබිච්ච දේ ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Sugarcane extract එක sugarcane stem එක තලලා we can get the extract and then we remove water from it. Right? Then we can form sugar. Coolant property of water is helpful for buffaloes when they are in water in hot environment. Yes, I told you they are wallowing. Why they are wallowing? They need to remove their heat from the body. Right? Likewise, water does not act as a medium for biological activities occur inside the organisms. Does not act, incorrect. Definitely it is acting as a medium for biological activities. The solvent property of water is helpful to transport substances like vitamins and medicines throughout the human body. Yes, that is also correct, right? So the answer is third one. Sixteenth question. Each 25 equal pieces of equals colored with red, white, yellow, green are randomly spread in a green color loan. Green color loan. Green color loan කියන්නේ කොළ පාට පසුබිමක. Right? Green color loan we have placed equals with red, white, yellow and green. Appoint 4 students separately to pick out pieces of equals. Which colored pieces of equal have been collected at last?
Green.
Which colored? Green colored. Why? Because,
Camouflage.
yes, because that color blend with the environment. Right? කොළ ගොඩක් අස්සේ කොළ පාට දෙයක් තියෙනකොට හොයන්නේ කොහමද යන්නේ? We can't find it. So then this is called as camouflage. That means that color blend with the environment. Right? Okay. 17th one. Which of the following circuit produces highest amount of current? Which of the following circuits? Right? Okay. Right. So you can see here, galvanometer, all are same. Right? And children, have a look about the number of turns in this coil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, okay. Right, so then number of turns are high here and here. Right, okay. So then number of 3 turns, we can cut it down, and 4 turns cut it down, right? Because children, in electromagnetic induction, right? When we increase the number of turns in the coil, we can generate more energy. ඔය electromagnetic induction වලදී coil එකේ වටගාන වැඩි වෙනකොට හැදෙන current එක වැඩි වෙනවයි කියලා කියනවා. Can you remember about the electromagnetic induction? We just put a magnet into a coil and then we have connected it with the galvanometer and then we just put in and take out, put in and take out likewise. Okay? So here, first of all, we counted the number of turns. Magnet with less power, right? So children, for good electromagnetic induction and for the good production of current, we need more number of turns. More, මෙන්න මේවා දන්නේ නැත්නම් ඔන්නෝවා දන්නේ නැති points වෙන්න පුළුවන්. More number of turns. Number of turns in the coil. Or in coil කිව්වා 30. In coil. In coil. That, right? Next one. The power of magnet. Power of magnet. Next,
Teacher, you are stuck
speed
again.
of the movement. Okay. Now it's okay?
Yes, teacher.
Right, okay. So now children, if you need to have powerful induction of or electromagnetic induction, we have to use lot of number of turns, and we have to use a powerful magnet, and we have to increase the speed of movement of the magnet and the coil. Hari. Less power තියෙන නිසා coil turns කොච්චර තිබ්බත් අපි මේක අයින් කරනවා. We just keep it aside. So now you can see high power magnet here, and then we can see lot of number of turns, 6 turns. So due to that, answer is third one. Right? මෙන්න මේක හරිම වැදගත්. Very very important, this one. You had better to note down this, because I can remember one of the question paper. I can't remember about that Richmond paper also. I can remember they have asked how we can increase the power of not electromagnet, right? How we can increase the current which is produced by electromagnetic induction, right? That's how they have asked. They have given this diagram likewise, right? So very very important. You had better to note down using red colored pen. Right. Okay, we'll see. We'll move. Next one. The way of seeing an image of the candle through the mirror is given below. Right. This is related to mirrors. We have not started the lesson mirrors. Right? අපි මේක පටන් අරන් නැති නිසා ඒක තියමු. Right? Okay. Which of the following is correct? Correct regarding tectonic plates. We have discussed it. Right? Tectonic plates move slowly. Correct one? Yes. Spread from crust to core. Never. Right? Crust to core ඉඳන් spread වෙනවා කියන්නේ tectonic plates ළමයි. Right? Crust to core කියන්නේ මෙහෙට වෙනකන් යනවා ඇති එහෙනම් tectonic plates එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Right? Okay, මෙහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Tectonic plates ඕම යන්නේ නැහැ. Margins of tectonic plates move 2 ways. Incorrect, 3 ways. Can you remember? We discussed deep gulf, and then we discussed about pressing down one by another,
Over
right?
each
And
other,
then
they separate from each other.
separate
And then
from each
come-
other, sliding from each other, slide past each other. Yes. So then three තුනක් තියෙනවා. Most tectonic plate margins can be recognized on land. No, I told you that most of them located under ocean, under the ocean, right? Okay, so we can see San Andreas Fault, right, in California. That is one of the tectonic plate margin. North American tectonic plate and Pacific tectonic plate, right? Okay, so then that is also incorrect. Answer is first one, right? Okay. Right. Which of the following is correct regarding the increase of environmental temperature day by day? මේක හිතලා කෙරුවා ඒ නිසා මම කතා කරන්න. Right? Correct regarding. Correct එකයි අහන්නේ. Right? Destruction of forest. Yes. Increase the combustion of the
all of
substance.
above.
Yeah. All are correct. Increase the working of factories. Those also correct. So then all of above is the answer. So the fourth one, right? Okay. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, can I know the answer for the 18th one?
So here I'm not getting the time for the discussion of the mirrors. After discussing the mirrors, I'll discuss it. Nah? Right? Answer එක මම බලලා කියන්න.
Excuse me, Neither.
Yes.
Either there is noise coming.
Are we doing part 2?
Yes, yes. We are discussing part 2 also.
ठीक है अभी part.
Right. මේ round කරපුවා එහෙමම තියන්න. Right? 18th one, the circled one, keep it. 13th one, 12th one, right? And then here 9th one, and then 7th one, right? Okay. So once again, I am going to share these answers, right? And then you can check. And ready with the second part. Some of the question we are going to discuss up to 8:30. අපි 8:00 වෙනකම් කරනවා කියලා කිව්වනේ. Right? So due to that, now I am scrolling this paper once again. You can mark it if you missed. The answer is second one.
What's the answer? The 20th one? 4, right?
Yes, 4. Children, you have to have the knowledge. If you are rejecting an answer, right, you exactly know, right, why you are rejecting it. Right? නේද? කනාපාරවල් නැතුව අපි හරියට මොකද්ද හේතුව කියලා රීසන් එක දැනගෙන අයින් කළාම, right, you are confident enough about the subject. Right? Okay. Right. Okay. So then we'll move with the second part. Right. This is one of the good paper, dear children. Right? Why I am telling like that? Because it is having a bit of thinking part in the first question also. Right? Answer 5 questions including question number 1. Including question number 1. That means question number 1 is compulsory. Right? පළමු ප්‍රශ්නය ඇතුළුව ප්‍රශ්න 5කට ඒ කියන්නේ ඒකත් එක්ක තව 4යි. Right? Use a separate paper to answer the questions. Right? So if you have given that instruction, you have to use another paper to write down your answers. Right? ඔක්කොම එක ගොඩේ ගහන්න යන්න එපා. Right? Okay. So then otherwise children, sometimes teachers miss your answers. Right? Okay. Figure below shows some animals, plants and flowers. Some animals, plants and flowers which can be seen in the environment. Right? So you have given the diagram. Right? We'll see. Name X and Y parts of the plant. Right? Name X and Y part. Children, what is this X here? Mom මෙතනම ලියනවා. What is X here? X means plant?
Leaf.
Leaves. Leaves. Y? Stem. Stem. Very easy question. Very easy question. X and Y, yes. Draw a leaf of plant A. Draw a leaf of plant A and draw its leaf venation. How you can draw it? Children, first of all, check its branching pattern of the stem. You can see this stem is branch.
It's stuck again.
If the stem
Teacher, you
is
had stuck.
branch, now it's okay?
No, teacher. No, teacher.
Okay.
Now it's okay, teacher.
Okay, right? Okay. So then children, draw a leaf of plant A and draw its leaf venation. බලන්න මේක. Stem is branched. If the stem is branched, this is dicotyledonous. කඳ බෙදෙනවා නම් මේක dicotyledonous. That means, right, you know. Then children, leaves should have what? Reticulate venation. Right? Right? So I told you, by having the external characteristic features of the plant, we can determine about the seed type also of the plants. කඳ දිහා බැලුවහම අනිත් ඔක්කොම හිතුව හැකි, right? Draw the leaf of this plant A and draw its leaf venation. This is reticulate venation. මේ තියෙන්නේ. Draw a leaf of the plant and draw its leaf venation. You will be given 1 mark for that. Right. Write letters that indicate the parts of androsium in the given flower. Write the letters that indicate parts of the androsium. Right. So what are the parts of this androsium of this flower? Androsium and gynoecium. Androsium, I told you, that is male part. Right. Male part, you know this one.
Q and R.
Anther and filament. Q and R, yes. Q and R. I told you, G for girls, that means gynoecium. Right? නේද අපිට අමතකයිම නම් G girls පටන් ගන්නෙ නේද? Gynoecium, that means girls, right? ගැහැණු කොටස. Right? දැන් මෙතන අහන්නේ androsium, that is male part. So then P and Q. Right. To which plant indicate?
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
The screen is blurry.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, teacher, it's clear.
Right,
Yes,
okay.
teacher, it's clear.
Right, now okay නේ. Because it is bit of rainy today this area. ඔයගලගේ පැත්තට එහෙම නැද්ද? මේ දවස්වල හරිම very
Miss,
problematic.
Miss, is the answer Q and R? Miss, the answer is Q and R. You wrote Q and P.
Wait. R and Q. Yes. Sorry. Right. R and Q. Right. So here this is the Q and this is the R. Right. Okay.
Teacher, where do you live?
Now it's okay, right? හරි නේද?
Yes, teacher.
Right. To which plant indicates as A and B the flower C belongs? To which plant indicates as A and B? Right? The flower C belongs. To which plant it belongs? What do you think? What do you think? How you can find it?
A.
Here, this one is dicotyledonous, this one is monocotyledonous. How we can find out that? With this flower, to which one belongs? A or B?
Plants.
A.
A. Why? Because children 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 petals are there. 4 or 5 petals are there for dicotyledonous plants. If this dicotyledonous, you can see the branch stem, right? නේද? මේ මලේ පෙති පහයි. පෙති පහ තියෙන නිසා ඔයාලා අනිවාර්යෙන් දන්නවා අතු බෙදිච්ච ගහේ මලක් තමයි මේ, that is dicotyledonous, right? So the dicotyledonous plant.
Teacher, you
So
are
if you cannot remember, check
Teacher, it's
what
getting
are the
stuck again.
differences between monocotyledonous
Yes, teacher.
and dicotyledonous plant.
So I can't see. Teacher, I can't see it properly.
Teacher, the screen is blurry.
Children, is it okay now, bit? It's bit of rainy here, that's why.
No, teacher.
Teacher, it's the same as before.
No, teacher, it is blurry. The screen is blurry.
Okay.
Teacher, noise is coming.
Yeah. Now, yeah, seems that now it is recovering, right? The internet speed also I can see in my screen. Okay, ne? දැන් නම් හරි මං හිතන්නේ.
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Teacher, I can't see it clearly at all.
No, teacher. Miss is visible, miss.
It's visible, right? Yeah, because my internet speed also now displayed. That's why.
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
No, teacher, it's blurry. No, teacher, it is blurry.
Miss. Teacher, we don't have much time now. I think it's okay because you are telling the answers now.
Sir, teacher, we have the questions.
Right. Okay, dear children. So then, excuse me for a while, right? So then, after this first question, we can stop, right? So we'll do, right, because of this internet issue and all these things, right? I'll read the question and give you the answer, right? So then, you can then mark, right? Because these days we are experiencing with some of the connection problems with the
Teacher, now
signals,
it
right?
became better than before.
Right. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. The fourth question, Roman number 4, and then part B. Mention the reason for the given answer in A. Now you know which plants indicate A or B, which sea flower
But
belongs. So
not a
how you
dichotomous.
found it? Right? By counting the number of petals of the flower. වෙන කොහොමද හොයාගන්නේ? Right? You know monocotyledonous plants having 3 petals. Dicotyledonous plants having 4 to 5 number of petals. So then they are asking how you, what is the reason for the answer in A. Right? ඇයි අපේ answer එකට ඒක හේතුව? Right? Right? Due to the number of
Teacher, now the screen
petals.
is okay.
Now screen is okay.
Yes, teacher, now you can see.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, right, great. Mention the reason for given answer in A. Due to the number of petals, right? Okay, number of petals. Or then you can write down with the presence of 5 petals in that flower, right? Okay. Draw a diagram of root system of plant B. Plant B is, you know, monocotyledonous plant, right? So then you have to draw a fibrous root system. A fibrous root system. Here this is fibrous root system, right? Root system එකෙන් දහම ඇති. Draw a diagram of root system of plant B. Here this plant B. We have to write fibrous or draw a fibrous root system. A student mentioned that there are no acidic and basic properties of water in which the fish lives. According to that, how you do name that water? A student mentioned that there are no acidic or basic properties of water in which the
Neutral
fish
substance.
lives. According to that, how do you name that water?
Neutral substance.
Neutral substance.
Neutral. Yes, you have to write neutral. Grade 6 එකකින් අහුවනම් it should be fresh water. Here children, have a look. This question includes, right, brainstorming type of question. බුද්ධි කලම්බණය කරන ප්‍රශ්න තියෙයි. එකපාර අහන්නේ උත්තරේ. අමාරුයි ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රේ. Right? Bit of difficult paper. But if you are clever enough to write this kind of question paper, definitely I can give you where you are going to stop one day. Right? Okay. මේ වගේ එකකට answers ලියන්න පුළුවන් නම් I think කතා දෙකක් නැහැ. right? Okay, right. So children, according to that, what you can name? Neutral water, right? Okay, udasina jalaya, right? So because fish like animals need neutral pH having water, right? Other substances they cannot tolerate, right? Okay, right. අපි මේ ප්‍රශ්න ටික කරමු, right? Using the animals given in above figure, answer the following questions. Above figure. On the above figure, if you miss children, you cannot get the marks. හරියට කියවන්න ඕනේ instructions. You have given Paracolea, butterfly and fish. Right? We'll
Miss,
see.
what is Paracolea?
Paracolea means guava leaf eater. Guava leaf eater, just like a guava leaf. Can you remember in
Teacher.
your textbook?
Okay.
Teacher, it uses its like leaf-shaped body for like camouflage, right?
Yeah, maybe.
the noise cover.
Right?
Delphin pop.
Remember this diagram. Right?
Yeah, Miss.
Guava leaf eater. Can you see that?
Yeah.
This is, yes, guava leaf eater. In Sinhala we call it as Paracolea. Right? Okay. Name a vertebrate animal. Which one is the vertebrate animal? Fish, butterfly or the Paracolea?
Fish.
Fish. Right. Which property of water is helpful for the fish to live in the water? Which property of water is helpful for the fish to live?
Solvent.
Sorry?
Teacher, for the medium of life.
Yes.
Water
Water acting as a medium of life. As a
Of life.
medium of life. ජීවයේ පැවැත්ම සඳහා උපකාර වන මාධ්‍යයක් which is helpful for the following instance. Difficult to identify Paracolea on guava plant at once. What is that, children? Characteristic.
Yeah, camouflage.
Camouflage, yes. Camouflage. Right? Fish swims easily in water by avoiding resistance.
Streamline
Because
body
of their shape.
Streamline body shape.
Teacher, because of the fins.
Streamline
Streamline body shape.
body. Right? Okay. For which adaptation of animals to environment is helpful to them? For which adaptations of animals to the environment
Habitat.
is helpful to them?
The habitat.
Right? For which adaptations of animals? Right. So
To live.
children.
To live.
Yes.
For
So
medium of
children.
life.
Yes. Fish have their fins. They have fins for their survival of the water. Right? And then children.
Is it
Yeah.
aquatic habitat?
Yes. Living in aquatic habitat, they have fins. Right? And then here this guava plant.
Wings.
Yes. So here, for which the adaptations of the animals to the environment is helpful for them. Right. So then here we can write down to adapt in aquatic environment, they have fins. Right. And then children to not become a victim of other predators. Paracolea having camouflage. Right. Okay. So likewise, හැබැයි මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ පොඩි ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා කියලා මට දැනී යනවා. Right? So due to that, ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් එහෙට මෙහෙට වෙනස් වෙන්න ඕනි කියලා මට හිතෙනවා. Right? So due to that, you will be given free mark for that question. Free mark. Right? Free mark. මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් අහලා තියෙන විදිය අවුලක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Right? Okay. So then children, this is the last question. We'll see. In the dichotomous key given below, write the letter relevant to the blank in your answer sheet. Right? Okay. So children, animals, you have given paracolea, butterfly and fish. With fins, who should come to be?
Fish.
Fish. Yes. Here children,
Fish.
A, what should, without fins. Without fins.
So, teacher, without fins.
Yes. A පැත්ත මෙහෙම නම් මේ පැත්ත මෙහෙමයි, without fins.
Butterfly.
And then children, with the proboscis. What is that
Butterfly.
proboscis? දැකලා තියෙනවද proboscis? Have you seen the
Butterfly.
proboscis of the butterfly?
Antennas.
These two. Right? In Sinhala we call it as Shundava, proboscis, Shundava. They are, right, inserting their proboscis into the flower, right? So then with the proboscis, that is butterfly. Butterfly. Right? So then, if you have written, that is your answer, right? Okay. Right, children? So then, it is enough for today, right? Keep completed your papers with the other questions also, right? Keep it in your mind, children. I hope that you have printed your previous tutes. Previous tute missed question also we are going to discuss, right? Okay. Papers වලට අමතරව අපි missed tutes වල questions උත් කතා කරනවා. අපේ question book එකේ හැම tute එකෙම පිටිපස්සේ තියෙන්නේ. Right? Right? So then you have to complete all other questions of this paper, and then we'll inform what are the sections that you have to do in question book, right? When we are uploading the other question paper, you have to keep printed and keep done the questions that you know related to the lessons that we have discussed, right? Okay. ඒවා කළා ලස්සනට ෆයිල් එකේ ඇතුලේ දාලා තියාගන්න, right? නේද? නිකන් අම්මට හදිසිය වුණාට පස්සේ කඩල උතන්න වගේ දෙන්න දාලා තියන්න එපා, right? Okay. So children, now I am scrolling this questions and the answers once again, right? Okay. Right. So children, I hope that it is enough for today. Now it is severely raining right now, right? That's why the previous signal lost, right? Usually it wouldn't happen, but when it is about to rain, the connection issues are there, right? Okay. So children, I'm going to wind up here for a while. So then children, keep protected these papers until your examination finishes, until your year finishes also, right? Okay. So children, I'm going to wind up here for a while. Thank you for logging. Have a nice week. Stay safe. Goodbye. Good night to all of you. God bless you. Buddha Saranai. Bye.
Bye,
teacher.
Okay. Stay safe.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Teacher, we just logged today to the class.
Newly joined one. Yeah.
So the class was really good, actually. I was also here. And
Okay. Thank you for your comment.
Yeah, how can we get previous tutes and because she just joined.
Okay. So can you drop a message for this number? So shall I
Okay.
mention it on the board?
Sure. Now I'm in the community group, but I'm not added to the WhatsApp group.
Okay, right. So then this number, drop a
Can you
message
read
for
it?
this. Yeah. So then you can get the information, right?
Okay. Right.
Year 5. Yeah. Okay.
241-075.
Okay. Right.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, you're welcome.